What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about Zcash today, ZEC USD. It is the 8th day of July, and here we are at about $463 with roughly 10 hours left in the day. I ask you to hit that like button, please and thank you. Subscribe if you'd like to see more content like this, and let's get into it. Let's not waste any time. Zcash pulling back a little bit since yesterday's high. We did see a price of $516. This target area was an original target zone that we were kind of suspecting to find resistance at, but I don't think at this point that, even though we found resistance here, I don't think at this point that we're going to correct. I don't think it's a rejection zone. Just a little bit of resistance we're consolidating at. I do suspect that we're going to continue to build higher. We probably do get very near, if not above, $600. That's my expectation overall. Here we are at 464, seeing a little bit of volatility, right? We were bearish here at first, and then we continue to consolidate. We flip bullish here. I think flipping bullish at this level is the right perspective to take. I really do believe that Zcash is going to continue to move higher. What I don't believe is that we're going to see things take out these highs. I think that we'll get above this high. We'll stop somewhere below these highs, find resistance in this general area, and then we will start to come back down. That's my expectation. Overall, I very much do believe that this drop that we saw back here in the beginning of June is foreboding. Is that the word? It's foreshadowing. It's incriminating. It makes me think that we're going to go lower and that there's insider trading happening for a reason here. It wasn't because of the bug, right? It wasn't because of the bug. We've already debunked that. It's not because of the bug. It's not because of the infinite money glitch bug that they fixed, right? They announced that they fixed it on the 1st. So people knew about it beforehand. They knew about it beforehand, but they announced that they fixed it here. Why would you sell whenever the bug was fixed before anybody knew about it? No, that's not the reason why this selling happened. This selling happened because of something else. I'm sure we'll figure it out as time goes on, but we're likely going to see the price go lower. Daily time frame RSI looking bullish. I mean, it's overall very bullish. Getting overbought, not getting oversold, breaking out of this downtrend. You look good. Let's look at the 1 hour time frame. We'll zoom back out here. 1 hour RSI, lower lows here in the RSI, higher lows in the price. It's hidden bullish divergence. We look at this from a low to a high point here. You're in that golden ratio zone. Perfect. Great. Looks great. You saw some volume come in as you're breaking down, and you didn't break lower. You actually reversed. So, I mean, that really looks like you do want to move up higher. Let's see. Okay, cool. Stochastics have reset, ready to go. The MACD is right at the 0, perfect area to bounce. We actually talked about that yesterday. 4 hour time frame here. MACD is starting to cross red. We have 2 hours left. Let's see if we can either fix this and prevent the cross red, or if we get the cross red, maybe it's a false cross like this, and if it is a false cross, that can say that we're at the low points, that we're ready to move up. Even if we move a little bit lower, even if we don't bounce exactly here, even if we do go back below 450, for example, I still expect that we're going to move back above $500 over the coming days. Stochastics right at the 50, good enough area to bounce from. RSI right at the 50, good enough area to bounce from. Overall, the RSI looks bullish. So do the stochastics, and so does the MACD on the 4 hour time frame. We look at the daily time frame here, and the RSI here. Oh, we already went over that, right? Stochastics are bullish. The MACD is about to cross above the 0. That's also bullish. We'll see how that goes. I'm kind of suspecting that what happens is we break above the 0. It's a slight break, and then we come back down. We've seen this kind of stuff happen before. Let's just see. Let me show you. Like this here. You break above the 0, and then you come down. Here, what'd you do? You saw a higher high, didn't you? You saw a higher high. But overall, in the grand context of things, it was a lower high, and then you went lower. That's what I'm thinking. I think we see a higher high here. In the grand context of things, it's a lower high, and then we go lower. I'm expecting a very similar result to this, but time will tell. I don't really have anything else to say. There is one more thing I want to throw you guys' way. I want to put your attention on before we end the video. But as far as Zcash is concerned, this is over. A lot of people are having fun with meme coins lately. There's all kinds of meme coins that are pumping and doing well, and most meme coins are not doing well. Most meme coins are shitting the bed and not doing well at all. However, Ansem has seen a very incredible market cap of $440 million or higher. And I do believe that we've found here in the Czar Gets Crypto community and other communities on X, we've found the next Ansem token, or at least a token that, like Ansem, will see some incredible growth. I really do believe it has incredible potential, and that is TBB, the Bitcoin Bull. This is at the end of the video. I'm not putting it in the title, right? I'm just making it out here because I really do believe that this is a phenomenal opportunity. We've seen a healthy correction recently, and right now we're actually at the low points of this overall consolidation range. I've been talking about this thing since we were at the lows, really since here even. I've been talking about it, and we've been building the community. No paid influencers, no inside shills, no extremely large wallets, snipers, or anything like that. Right? There's nobody's in this that got in super early that is about to dump on you and pull the rug. Right? And I say that, and you might look at the top wallet. The top wallet has about 69% of the supply. That's because this token, like Ansem, has a figurehead behind it. And the figurehead here is Jason Williams. If you're on X.com, if you're involved with crypto at all, CryptoX, you're probably aware of who Jason Williams is. Jason AI Williams, going parabolic, he made a lot of money. I don't know how much money. I don't want to say exactly, but I want to say over $100 million investing in Bitcoin early. He's written a book on Bitcoin, as far as I know, maybe a couple books. He's a crypto personality by all definitions of the word. Looks like, is he having a space right now? Is that what's going on? And yeah, he's been talking about TBB nonstop for like a week now, like all the time. And he's having competitions. I think he's a very trustworthy figure. That's why Ansem has worked out so well, is that Ansem is a trustworthy figure. He's been giving out airdrops to his community. He's done exactly what he said he would do. He bought the supply. He controls the supply of the token, just like Jason Williams does. And he's been airdropping to his community. Now, Ansem's token's worth hundreds of millions of dollars, so he's literally airdropped millions of dollars in tokens. But TBB being worth 3.6 million, we've seen tens of thousands of dollars in airdrops already. And I think the largest single airdrop that anyone received was like $900 or something like that. More than that, if you consider the growth that we've seen, right? I mean, I was airdropped like $170, $175, and that's worth, it's like worth triple that, a little bit more than that now. And all I've done is just sit on it, right? A lot of the people who are receiving airdrops aren't selling them, right? Most people are buying and holding. A lot of these top wallets are stacking. I mean, I was in the top 10, you guys, and now I'm actually getting booted out of the top 10. I'm in the top 15. And I'm, people keep buying. We're actually seeing new holders coming on all the time. I'm just giving you the sales pitch because if you're looking to invest in something else, maybe you're investing in Zcash and you would like to mess around with the meme coin markets. There's all these memes that are wannabe Ansem tokens, but they don't got it right. It's because they don't have the right figurehead in place. It's because the people who created the token, who bought it early, they're just looking to dump on the community. They don't care to build a community. Here with TBB, we are building a community. The community is being built. It's a really good community. And again, I'm talking about this because you're at a really good place to buy. I've been loud about this token on the pumps. I've been the loudest about this token at the low points. And the reason why is because I want to see people get in at a good price. It's still early, even here at a $3.5 million market cap. I mean, it's such a low market cap, still very early. And I have reason to believe that there is, and I don't want to give any spoilers away, but we've got some stuff going on. There's some plans in the works that I see no reason why this couldn't see a 10 cent, a $100 million market cap, a 10-cent price. And I see no reason why by the end of this week, it's Wednesday now, by the end of this week, we could see a $20 million market cap. Maybe you don't care about any of that. Maybe you're just like, I just want to get in and get out once we see the all-time high area. I want to sell at this double top area. Okay, double your money. Get in, get out, whatever. Not financial advice, not a financial advisor. You're still at a phenomenal opportunity in what is an overall very, very bullish chart. I mean, look at this thing, you guys. Look at it. It's phenomenal. A lot of this volume, you look at this candle here, right? This candle, this green candle here at the top, that wasn't even the largest spike. No, these largest spikes happen down in this area right now that we are here. I'm being loud about this again because if you're watching this video, you're a part of my community. This is not financial advice. I probably should have led with this, but you should not put money that matters into this, right? If you have $10,000 to your name, don't put $10,000 in this. Don't put $8,000 in this, right? Put a few $100 in it. Put $10 in it, whatever. Have some fun. Don't put any money in it. Do whatever you want to do. It's your money. Don't put money that matters into this, right? I wouldn't think so. I would put a little bit of money in this, as I did, and let it turn into money that matters. That's what's going to happen. That's what's going to happen. There's people who bought Ansem who turned hundreds of dollars into tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, even millions of dollars. And if this thing goes to $100 million market cap or more, which I really do think it has the potential to do, we've got the right community. We've got solid holders, man, and solid building. Even in these downtimes, people are very excited about this project. And I'm the loudest about it whenever we're at the lows for a reason. You're a part of my community. You're watching these videos. I want to see you make money too. This isn't my token. This isn't my token at all. This is Jason's token. He's the one that does the airdrops. But I personally have some plans, and I know Jason has some plans going on too, um, that will help this project grow in price and attention and wallet holders overall in the near future, the very like within the coming days, guys. And we'll just see. Time will tell. We'll see how it goes, but I think this will do well. I'm done talking about it. Hit that like button, subscribe. Thank you all for being here. Zcash probably continues to move up. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.